Hey Diamond Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for taking time to watch my videos. Thanksgiving is coming, so I wanted y'all to check out all these Thanksgiving decorations I'm doing. I got a lot of this stuff from Temu, but this is mainly about doing balloons. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the balloons, and I'll show you all the stuff that I got from Temu. I'm going to put some pictures above and let you see which ones I picked out, and there's a whole bunch of stuff that you could use. But hopefully you enjoy this balloon video, but it's for decoration for Thanksgiving. It's coming up soon, so get ready. And Diamond Crew, look what I found. These leaves light up. I also got these from Temu, and you have to use batteries with it. I also got some extra balloons just in case, but I believe I bought like 3 packs. It comes in a set. You get like balloons and all kinds of things in there, but I bought extra these foil balloons just in case that I needed them. I bought them. Diamond Crew, I'm going to put some balloons over here. I just started it. I made this out of a hula hoop, so the balloon is going to go around that. right, Diamond Crew. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. And you know I'm sending out hugs and kisses to you and you and you. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me doing some balloons. And I hope you come back again. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I hope you share with your family and friends. And thank you so much again.